use the Cauchy-Riemann equations to determine whether or not the function f of z equals x squared minus y squared plus 2xy is analytic. So this is a complex function, right? And you have the Cauchy-Riemann equations here, which I copied from a formula sheet. Alright. Now, I want you to pause the video, write down the function, and go ahead, work it out and determine whether it's analytic. Okay, you're finished. Was it analytic or not? Let's see. You need to find the partial u by partial x, but just before we do that, f of z is equal to, the real part is what we call u, so it's x squared minus y squared, this is u, and plus 2xy I, this is v, the imaginary part is v, alright? So, here now, partial u by partial x. No. Let's write what u is first. U is equal to x squared minus y squared. V is equal to 2xy. What is partial u by partial x? Partial derivative of u with respect to x is, well, you can see this is going to be 2x. What is the partial derivative of v with respect to x? Respect to y, or is 2x. So we can see here that partial u by partial x is 2x, and it is equal to partial v by partial x. Seems to be analytic so far, but let's try the other equation. Partial u by partial y, what is it? Let's try it over here. Partial u by partial y is what? If you differentiate y, which is u by partial y, u with respect to y, you get negative 2y. Okay. Now, what is negative partial v by partial x? It's going to be negative, and then your partial v by partial x, you get, it's going to be 2y. Okay, so you can see that partial u by partial y is equal to negative partial v by partial x. So you can say that f of z is analytic.